Shwmai a chroeso I sesiwn rhif un Cyflwyniad I Ddrymio. Hello and welcome to the first lesson, an introduction to drumming. So beth sydd angen arno ni, what we'll need. Fi'n deall nid oes ganddo pawb drumsticks gadra. I understand that everyone's got some drumsticks at home. So peth gynta, first thing, cael gwrad o rein. I'll get rid of those. So, beth sydd angen arno ni. Gallwn ni ddefnyddio 2 llwy pren, 2 wooden spoons, 2 pen, pencil, pen a pencil, lan chi, 2 pen, 2 straw, fy holl lan chi. Gyd chi'n edrych am, all you're looking for is 2 things that are, relatively even in size, sy'n eitha cyfartal mewn hyd. Fi'n mynd I dewis 2 llwy pren fel ddylais I. Beth arall sydd angen arno ni, what else we need is hopefully you've got something rubber. Gobeithio mae ganddoch chi rhywbeth rubber, cos mae fe'n, it absorbs the sound, mae fe'n cymryd y sŵn mewn. A wedyn am fath o snare, gallwch chi ddefnyddio rhywbeth metal efallai. Mae gen I potel o polish, neu hefyd gallwn ni ddefnyddio rhywbeth plastig fel rhywbeth sy'n dal vitamin C. A na fe, dyna gyd sydd angen arnoch chi, so os chi'n moyn clic o pause a mynd I cael rhywbeth fel yna, a wedyn dod nôl a bydd ni'n cael ymlaen. So, fi'n mynd I ddefnyddio 2 llwy pren, a gyd ni'n mynd I wneud I dechrau yw cyflwyniad, so all we're going to do to start is an introduction. So, ni'n mynd I dechrau ymarfer defnyddio 2 llaw ar un pryd, cyfri syml, a na fe. So all we're going to do to start is learn how to keep a simple beat using both our hands at the same time, and that is it. So, llaw there, right hand, yn mynd I cadw'r beat, it's going to keep the beat, so try something consistent. Chi'n mynd 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So mae'r llaw there yn cadw'r beat. The right hand keeps the beat. A wedyn gyda'r llaw chwith, ni'n mynd I dod mewn a fath o backbeat. I'm going to bring in a backbeat, sef fel taro o snare. A be ni'n mynd I neud gyda'r llaw chwith yw taro o snare a 2 a 4, sef y eil rifau, which is the even numbers. So I'm doing 1 a 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And na fe really, dyna gyd chi'n moyn ymarfer, that's it really, that's all you want to practice. Chi eisiau just neud sure fel mi'n dweud bod in cyson. So you want to make sure that, like I said, that it's consistent and that bod y 2 a'r 4 yn taro ar un pryd fel yna. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fel yna. A wedyn, be gallwn ni wneud yw gwrando I cerddoriaeth a just ymarfer gwneud hwnna. You can just listen to some music and just keep practicing that. And yeah, dyna fe. So, yeah, pob lwc I chi. Na I gweld chi wythnos nesaf, ble bydd ni'n ychwanegu mwy o nodiadau. I'll see you next week, we'll add in some more notes. A bydd ni'n siarad am dechrau defnyddio sort of cais there, start talking about using your right foot as well. So dyna chi, pob lwc I chi, a na I gweld chi wythnos nesaf. Good luck to you, and I will see you next week. Hwyl!